Hello kids, I have so many colors for you. Let's learn colors name.
Wow!
Pink color, black color, chocolatey color, blue color, yellow color, sea green color, parrot green color, orange color, red color, sky color, violet color.
Wow!
Today we will learn alphabet. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, Z for zebra. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G, A for apple, B for ball, C for carrot, D for date, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice, J for jug, K for key, L for light, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for potato, Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T. T for table. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yarn. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.